What up everybody, this is your boy Audio J, and we're coming back at you with another awesome video. In today's video we're going to be talking about this PGR2 modded. This is a project that we've all been using and having fun with on PGR2 in our community, and I know there's a lot going around about it and it could be confusing to some people, so I'm just going to make a quick video to show you guys how to install it to your Xbox and how to get it running. So stick around and we'll go ahead and get started. Now, as you all have seen on the Discord, there is a link in general chat where you click it and it'll take you to this page. Now, as a warning, we will tell you guys that, as me and Killer have discussed and many others, do not upload to any scoreboards using modded cars or you'll be permanently banned by Insignia. This mod is for offline use or online multiplayer gameplay in certain circumstances. That means when we host our PGR2 race nights, we are carefully doing it to where it does not affect the scoreboards, nor does it affect any rank or anything that would get anybody in trouble. So that's what we mean by certain circumstances. You got to do it safely, guys. Don't be taking these cars and running up amok. Don't be going into leaderboards with them. Don't be setting record times with modded stuff. You're gonna get in trouble and you're gonna get banned and you're gonna ruin this for a lot of people. So that's what these mean. You know, when you're installing the mod, there's also a warning here. Make sure to install a secondary version of the game. Do not upload this to your main game that you play online with. That also includes your save, guys, just so you know. In our Discord, you'll see a link button. It's like a chat channel on the left. And you'll click links and you'll go to the top and you'll see something like this. So on the Pacific Muscle Discord, you'll just see links right here. You'll click it. First of all, you'll see the link here that we're on right now, but you'll also see this. If you go all the way to the top, you'll see the DLC. You'll see the 2 videos on how to FTP and stuff like that. But here, if you grab this UData file, this is the platinum save that's called JFNG that you'll see in the videos. And that's the save that you're going to use when you run modded content, because it doesn't affect your save and it has all the cars unlocked and all the tracks work with it too. So definitely grab this on the Discord, it's right there, and then you can get started. Alright, and then of course, just so you guys know, I have also gone to the length of, if you go to the Game Finder section here, as you can see, I did make a post here that if you do need the PGR2 Proto Pack with the full game and the mod included, just send me a DM, shoot me a DM, and I will get you guys that link. Alright, let's go ahead and continue with the video. So all this mod is it's 2 packs. Okay, we're going to scroll down here. Now, be mindful, guys. Make sure you read the rules here, okay? The online play restrictions, the track limitations, the car challenges, the modded cars, the excluded modes. That's, again, just covering the stuff I just talked about right here. But anyways, once you read all that, basically what you're going to do is you're going to kind of... I wouldn't worry about the K-Pack for now because we haven't really messed with it too much. So we're going to be using right now for a lot of this, for our mod nights, our race nights, is we're going to be using the Proto Pack. Okay, so that's the pack that we're gonna be mainly using for now. We will use the other K pack later, but for now we're going to be using the Proto Pack. So that's the main concern here, guys. Now, Killer has been kind enough to add to this. So now if you come up here and you click releases, you'll see a updated Proto Pack zip, and you can just download that, extract it, add that to your modded game file pack, and do it that way. Okay, you can do it 2 ways. You can add that to wherever your PGR2 is installed. However, as you see here, we don't really recommend that. We recommend making a separate version, and that's what we're going to cover today. So I'm going to show you how to make a second version. It's really easy, and then all you do is copy that to your Xbox and you're good to go. Alright, so in this next part of the video, what I've done for everybody is I have made Project Gotham Racing 2 Proto Pack, the full file. It's 3.38 gigs. So it is in the description of the video. You can download it in the links, and what it is it's PGR2 but with the Proto Mod added to it. So I've gone ahead and just made it simple for everybody. All you do is download it, And again, depending on which kind of extraction program you use on your computer, whether it's 7-zip, WinRAR, or even just Windows extractor, I recommend 7-zip. It's free, you can Google it, and you can get it very quickly, and it just extracts bigger files faster. That's why I like it. So anyways, once you have the zip on your PC, you just right click it, and oh, okay, there we go. Right click it, show more options, hover over 7-zip, and extract it. Now this is 3.8 gigs, so it does take a few moments to extract. Alright, so once you have it extracted, you can get rid of the zip file of it. So we can just go ahead and delete that. Alright, and once you delete that, you just, empty recyclable bin, and there it goes. And then once you do, you just double check it by going in here. You'll see that you have all the right files. I've made everything for everybody. So this is PGR2 with the Proto Pack installed. So once you have this pack, all you do is simply FileZilla. You FTP it over to your Xbox to where your games are at, like a regular game. And then from there, you'll be able to launch it through the File Explorer. If you click on Games and PGR2, it will launch the regular version of PGR2 and not your Proto Pack. That's why I have made a separate video with the shortcut video that helps with that. So hopefully this will help everybody. If you want, I can show you how to FTP in the next part here. It's really simple. So here's a quick crash course on FTP if it's maybe it's been a while for some people, or or if you just haven't done it ever. This might help you guys. So all you do is you make sure that you're on desktop or wherever you put the Proto Pack, wherever you extracted it to. In my videos, I always do it on desktop just for example purposes, but yeah, so you just go to you go to desktop and then click down here, you'll see Proto Pack, and this is really simple. You just go over here to wherever you store all of your games. In my case, it's F, and then I double click games down here, and here's all my games. And then you just simply click this here and drag it over there to this white spot here. Not into these, but into this spot. Okay, and that's how you do that. Now because I already have it, I'm going to cancel the drag by going back over here and letting off. But once you have successfully copied it over, if you click one of these at the top, I don't know if you have a lot of games like I do, if you just hit P, it'll go right down to P for the PGRs, and you can see here that I've already transferred it over. So once that is in F Games, the other video for the shortcuts to how to make shortcuts will come easy to you after this. So I hope this has helped everybody. I hope you guys enjoy the mod, and everybody, let's have a good time racing. All right. If anyone needs any help with this and nothing's working, just don't feel bad. Just hit me up. That's right. Anytime you guys need help, just hit me up. And of course, back on the dashboard to test to make sure that your FileZilla transfer went through correctly, just go down to Games. Actually, sorry, not Games. Go down to System. Go down to File Explorer. Go to F or wherever you keep your games, go into your games folder, and just go all the way down to where your Project Gotham would be. And as you can see here, I can clearly see that my game transferred successfully. If it does not show up where your games are at, then you might not have transferred it correctly or anything. It might have gone into like another games folder or something like that. But anyways, hope this helps everybody, and that's all there is to it. Now it does suck because you got to launch this from File Explorer every time and click the default XPE, whereas I've made the new video where we now have shortcuts under our homebrew and we can launch it from there. So watch that video too. It's also going to be, these are both going to be linked in the Discord. But yeah, hope everyone has a good time, and just remember, hit me up. That's right. Anytime you guys need help with Xbox stuff, just hit me up.